The humble Litti Chokha from my home state of Bihar gained new fame when Prime Minister Modi ate it at Hunar Haat in February this year. Here is how you can make Litti at home and pair it with a Chokha of your choice because it is a healthy snack and you can eat it with anything you want. You can use the dough you normally use for making rotis with the addition of a little refined oil and a little salt. Make a ball out of the dough and then use your thumbs and fingers to make a cup out of it. If the dough is a little sticky, you can use a little flour to make sure it doesn't do that. Once your cup is ready, fill it with the mixture of sattu and spices. Next, put it on your palm and use your fingers to close up the top. If there is any leftover dough, you can just pinch it off with a rolling motion so that your ball is uniform and even. And that's it, your littis are ready to go. Using an appam pan works best because it gives an even heat to all sides of the litti. For the sattu mixture, you can use ginger, garlic, coriander leaves, carom seeds, lemon juice, onions, and black salt and normal salt to taste. Once the littis have been cooking for about 10 minutes or so on a low flame, you can turn them over so that they get evenly heated on all sides. And lo and behold, your littis are ready to go along with the favorite chokha of your choice. The accompaniment you use with littis is totally up to you. And there you have it. Enjoy your litti and chokha on a rainy evening.